taking a picture. I'm not taking any pictures. Look at. No, I'm not. Oh crap. Only good thing about this is I can get your face at different moments. Can I be in the video with you? Take a picture of you. I'm making a video of you. Silly, get over here. Why do you want to hide? You're so sexy. I'm going to go under your shirt. Please, please. You're too sexy to hide under that shirt. And you know it. Yes, you do. You're too sexy for that shirt. You should take it off. Please, please. You always take videos of me. You always take videos of me.